Hi, welcome to Sruthi Lakshmi's virtual classroom. Today we're going to see few math puzzles. Part 6. Puzzle number 1. 4 plus 3 plus 5 is 122072. 2 plus 6 plus 7 is 121491. 5 plus 5 plus 3 is 251573. So what is 3 plus 8 plus 7? You will have 20 seconds to solve this problem. Starting now. Time's up. The answer is 242183. For 4 plus 3 plus 5, to find the four first digits, we do 4 times 3, which is 12, and 4 times 5, which is 20. Next, to find the fifth and sixth digits, we do 4 times 3, which is 12, and 4 times 5, which is 20. We add 12 plus 20, which is 32, and we subtract the last digit, 5. So, 32 minus 5 is 27. We write 27 in reverse, which is 72. For 2 plus 6 plus 7, we do 2 times 6, which is 12, and 2 times 7, which is 14. To find the fifth and sixth digits, we do 2 times 6, 12, plus 2 times 7, 14. So 12 plus 14 is 26. And 26 minus the last digit, 7, is 19. We write 19 in reverse, which is 91. For 5 plus 5 plus 3, we do 5 times 5, which is 25. 5 times 3, which is 15. We add 25 plus 15, which is 40. And we subtract 3 from 40, which is 37. And we write 37 in reverse, which is 73. For 3 plus 8 plus 7, we do 3 times 8, which is 24. And 3 times 7, which is 21. Next, we add 24 plus 21, which is 45, and we subtract the last digit, 7, from 45. 45 minus 7 is 38. We write 30 in reverse, which is 83. Puzzle number 2. Why is this problem correct? 1 plus 9 plus 8 is 1. 3 plus 8 plus 9 is 10. You will have 20 seconds to solve this problem, starting now. Time's up. First, for 1 plus 9 plus 8, we write 1 in word form. We write 1, 9, and 8 in word form. We take the first letters from 1, 9, and 8. So O-N-E is 1. For 3 plus 8 plus 9, we write 3, 8, and 9 in word form, and we take the first letters T, E, and N. So it makes 10. Puzzle number 3. There are 3 charts over here. What is the missing number? You will have 20 seconds to solve this problem, starting now. Time's up. The answer is 15. In this chart, 5 plus 3 is 8. 2 plus 4 is 6. Over here, 4 plus 9 is 13. 5 plus 4 is 9. 4 plus 6 is 10. So 7 plus 8 is the answer 15. Thanks for watching.